Check out what Pomade sent me. These are dehydrated chicken rings. And you see how nice these are? Now, this is the bag that it comes in. They're halfway done because the doggies love eating it so much. Now, you know how dogs love dog treats, right? So that's why these dehydrated chicken rings are so good. Check it out. Let's see how Meep enjoys these. So it's also very easy to break into pieces. Meep, shake. Good job. There you go. She loves it. Okay. Almost lost a nail on that one. And here you go. These are also easy to break off into little pieces. Mochi, here you go. Good girl. Now you can give them as big rings or break them off. Good girl. Come here. So these are good for them to be occupied, but as you can see, they love it so much, they just gobble it right up. Good girl, Mochi. Mochi's such a good girl. Mochi, speak. Mochi, speak. Good girl. These chicken rings are awesome, and they also come in different flavors as well. So definitely check them out if your dog likes chicken rings. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.